Welcome back to Sydney Samayal. Hope you all enjoyed my previous videos. For this one, I asked you all to guess what the entree would be. Today, I'll be showing you how to make prawns on the Barbie. Did anybody get it right? Let's get right into it now. I've taken the ingredients for about 15 prawns, 15 green prawns, uncooked ones, and I've cleaned it. When I'm cleaning it, I've just taken the shell off the head only so that you can clean the intestine in the prawns. See how lovely it looks. It's so clean. But the shell on the whole prawns is still there with the tail. So once this is cleaned, I've got 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, got turmeric powder, about half a teaspoon, and a tablespoon of ginger and garlic paste, and curry powder. Curry powder, you needn't worry, it can be anything, whatever you find at home, a tablespoon. This is enough for the marination. Once this is marinated, we are going to refrigerate this for about at least half an hour. Some people do use a little bit of red wine. That's up to you, it's optional. But I use just the soy sauce. I've got the prawns here. Just put the soy sauce. I've got the turmeric and the curry powder and ginger and garlic paste, and just mix it well. See, it looks so beautiful, the color. God, it smells so yummy. People would like to have red wine or drink. If it's going to be in the afternoon, you can have a little bit of red wine on top of it, maybe 2 tablespoons. That will give a flavor when it's cooking. Try that too. Now it's done. Now the marination is completed, well done. And now I'm just cling wrap and seal it and leave it in the refrigerator for half an hour. I'll see you soon. I'm going to get the Barbie ready. Guys, it's been about 30 minutes. Now I'm in the balcony next to the barbecue. It's ready to go on the barbecue. Now I'm going to put the prawns in the barbecue. All you need is a little bit of oil to toss it so it doesn't go very dry on the barbecue. The barbecue is now ready. Make sure it's always in medium heat or something, not cook very fast. It needs to be cooked slowly. So just throw the prawns on the Barbie. Just some oil. Make sure it's this individually. Just turn it a little bit. The prawns needn't be cooked too long. Prawns, any seafood cooks very fast, as you all know. So it takes only a few minutes before we serve the entree. You can even, if you need it very spicy and hot for the drinks, Sometimes you can add a little bit of chili powder to make it hot. The marination is all depends on your taste and your guest taste as well. So mine keeps changing according to my guests. That's how I do. And I want to cater them. When I cater, I really want to do a good job so they can enjoy. So it's almost done. Maybe it takes about 2-3 minutes on one side and another 3 minutes on the other side. So I'm turning it off. Oh, so delicious. Normally when I'm doing this, all the guests are around me watching how it's been cooked. That's very exciting for me when I'm cooking this. Having a chat with the guests. So now it's done and ready to be served. It looks very colorful, little bit burnt. That taste will be good. And it's garnished with mint here. And I'm going to have this with mint chutney. And you can have it with any sort of chutneys or sauces you like. And let's go and eat. That's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Let me know if you have any questions in the comment section down below. Please make sure to like and subscribe to this channel. And see you soon. Bye.